Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking. So in this video, you're going to learn how to download and install Microsoft Windows Server, actually Windows 2012 R2 server on GNS3. Okay, so basically in GNS3 we can do a lot of simulation. For example, in the previous labs, we learned how to download and install FortiGate firewall, and as well as Cisco devices, including Cisco router, multi-layer switch, and access switches. So in this video, we're going to learn how to download and install Microsoft Windows Server 2012 R2, okay? So that we practice multi-vendor systems administration, okay? All right, so before we create that big lab, a complete lab, which is actually a real world lab, we need to learn how to configure each product. Okay, so in this video, let's learn how to download and install Windows Server 2012 R2. So without any further ado, I'll let you know that the first requirement is to ensure that you have GNS3 application running, and importantly, GNS3 VM running. If you do not have those, I will leave a link on the description part. Learn how to install the two. Okay, right. So the second step is to ensure that you have the Windows Server image on your local computer. All right, because before we import it on GNS3, you should have it on your local computer, right? So I have a link here. I have a Google Drive link here that will guide you on how to download each image that we have here. Okay, all right. So for Microsoft products, they are here. You will learn how to download those images, but for FortiGate, the images are there already. Okay, all right. So, sorry. Without any further ado, let's start actually installing the Windows Server here. So what I'm gonna do, just click on create new template and always ensure you choose the first option, the recommended one. Okay, and then here we're gonna install Windows Server, Microsoft Windows Server. So we're going to guest. Okay, all right. Then you go down until we see Microsoft something or Windows. Yeah, Windows. So this is a Windows client, but this is a Windows Server. We want a Windows Server. Click install. All right. Install in GNS3 VM, very important. Okay, leave default. Click next, and like I said before, we're going to install Windows Server version 2012 R2. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create new version and show you create new version, and maybe let's just differentiate it from the other one, GNS3. Yeah, okay. And here is very important. This image file name is very important. Like I said while we were installing FortiGate firewall, yes, very important. Just go to your local computer where the image is and ensure you copy the exact name of the image. Okay, all right, so I think it is somewhere here. Yep, so I want to download, this is my Windows Server GNS3. Okay, all right, so I'm just going to copy that one and paste it there and click OK. Now here is the version that I copied. I'll just come here and import now the image. Where is the image? My image is located somewhere here. Okay, pretty much simple. Just have to be very actually careful while doing the installation. This is my Windows Server GNS3 image. Okay, all right, so we will wait for it to upload. Okay, so we'll wait for it to upload. Okay, So it seems like it's hanging. So meanwhile, let me just show you how to download that image. Okay. So inside this folder, I have a Excel sheet. So the Excel sheet, if you open it, it has this information. We have to Windows Server 2012 for GNS3. You can download it using these two links. Okay. For Windows 10 client for GNS3 as well, you can download it using this link, right? Okay, so here it's uploading. So ensure you download that too, because in the next video we're going to learn how to install Microsoft Edge Windows 10, which is actually used for GNS3. Okay, all right. Okay, thank you. So perfect. So as you can see, actually the upload is done. So what I'm gonna do, this is the one that we created. I'm just gonna click next, and we'd like to do this. Just okay. All right. Then okay, just click OK, and the Windows Server is already here. Perfect. Now you can just bring it here. This is our Windows Server. Then let's connect to the firewall. So let's connect it to the firewall. The server will be always in the DMZ. Okay. All right. So turn it on, and we will wait to see whether it's indeed giving us the Microsoft Windows interfaces that we need, right? Okay, so when I double click on it, you can see actually it's loading. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It was a very important video that we watched together, right? Okay, so in the next video we will learn how to download and install Windows client machine. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye.